Hi, I'm going to take you through setting up Blogger for the purpose of a history English task that you're going to undertake in 2015. So, as you're aware, everyone has a Google account, and you can see I've logged into my Google account here. And over on the right hand side is what we call the apps grid, which is a quick and efficient way to get to the various Google apps. So you can see there by default Google Search, Mail, Drive, etc. are there. If we go to more, then we can see things like YouTube, Translate, Maps, and more particularly for this task we're going to Blogger. So you can see here that I've gone directly into Blogger, and one of the things that I'm going to get you to do is just check a couple of things for your user settings. So I'm just going to go into user settings here, and that all looks good. So you can see here I've just got the opportunity now to create my blog. I've signed in. Here's my blogging profile up the top here. Now, if this is your first blog that you are creating, one of the things that you will need to do is ensure that you choose the blogger profile. When you're confronted with this option, you need to choose the blogger profile. And I'll share this document with your teachers so that they can pass that on to you. You'll be asked to just put in a display name there, so maybe just your first initial and surname would be fine. The other thing to look at, and I'll show you in settings here, is we need to set the settings up so that anyone can comment with a Google account. So that's your colleagues, your peers will be able to comment on your blog. Okay, so we'll go through and start setting up this now. So we'll create a new blog and we'll make it our title. So it might be Morris, American Civil Rights, blog. Then it's going to allow me to go in and customize my name. So I might put it as Morris History English. Okay, so you can see the URL is different to the actual name of the blog itself. Now, you can come in and customize your blog, choose a picture window, or leave that up to you. Once you create your blog, then it takes you into the editing window, and you can see here that my blog has been created in My Blogs, and we're just going to go over a couple of settings before we get right into it. So looking at the drop down arrow here, we're just going into settings, and the privacy here, so listed on Blogger, visible in search engines. We might just want to edit that and add your blog to our listings. We might just say no, let the search engines find your blog, we'll say no. And for blog readers, so coming back here again in settings, for blog readers we're just going to edit that, and blog is currently open to readers by default. That's going to be actually going to be okay because it's within the confines of our SID Stew network. So I'm just going to hit Save Changes there. Posts and comments. Who can comment? User with Google account. So that's one setting we need to make. And we could turn that word verification off, and we'll just go to make sure we save that. The rest of that looks fine there. Yep, so all of this is pretty much set up now for use. So if I go into view blog, this is what it looks like at the moment. Okay, so you can see there's no posts, and our next video will take you through setting up a page within your blog.